So what is tech? Tech is actually a measurement system for your thread. It's measuring how many grams are in 1,000 meters. So for example, a Tech 40 thread is going to be 40 grams per 1,000 meters. And the higher the Tech number, the stronger, thicker the thread is. The lower the Tech number, the thinner the thread is. My name is LaRae. I am a pattern designer and sewist, and today we're talking about thread. So why do some people use weight and some people use Tech? Well, Tech is the internationally recognized system. It's actually going to be the most precise system for thread, where weight is mostly used in the United States. It's a less precise system, and it kind of varies depending on the brand. It's going to be what you see mostly for home machines, what you can get at big box stores like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. That's mostly going to be by weight, especially if you're in the US. But the best system and the most standardized system is the Tech system, TEX. And that's going to be a super precise system based on grams per 1,000 meters. So for example, a Tech 40 thread is 40 grams per 1,000 meters. And for the Tech system, the higher the number, the thicker the thread. Super easy to remember. For the weight system, it's actually the lower the weight, the thicker the thread. So it's the inverse of the Tech system. For this video, I'm going to kind of show you the differences between weighted thread that I have that you can buy in store easily, like at Michael's, and the Tech thread, which mostly comes in cones. You can get it in small cones as well, though, for your home machine. And I'm going to try to convince you why you should be buying Tech thread, especially Tech 40 in general, over the weighted thread that you can find at your local Hobby Lobby. So first off, let's go through what you can get at your Michael's or Hobby Lobby or your local sewing shop. Gutermann, this brand, is a really popular one, and one I would recommend if this is the only thing that you can get your hands on. But what you'll find is a lot of stores that go by weight. So you'll see 50 weight a lot. When I hold this and rip it, it comes apart really, really easily. Now this is a Tech 40 cone, which you can buy at your specialty sewing shop, like a repair center, somewhere online. Now, same thing with this. It is much, much harder to break, meaning it is a much stronger thread. And for me, my bare minimum is a Tech 40 in my machine. And that Tech 40 does work in your home machines. And if you have an industrial machine, this is kind of the minimum size thread you're going to want to put in there, in my opinion, especially if you're working with heavier duty fabrics. Now, if you're working with something like a lightweight silk or chiffon or something like knits and stretchy, you're going to want different thread for that. But we're talking canvas, denim, everyday like hemp wear, stuff like that. Anything canvas, I would say over like 7 ounces, I would recommend a Tech 40 minimum for your thread weight. So there's Tech 40. It goes all the way up, I think, to Tech 135, I believe. As far as what you'd buy in the store, most likely 50 weight is going to be one of the strongest, unless you're doing an upholstery thread. I did get this at... Wait, not this one. I have another one that I got at Joann's Fabric, RIP, that is an upholstery thread, and that I would say is closer to a real Tech 40 or even a Tech 50. If you're in store, you're most likely going to find a 50 weight. I would say that's equivalent to like a Tech 30 thread. It's definitely not as strong as Tech 40. Quality garments that are going to hold up and your thread that's going to look good, I would say minimum Tech 40. So Tech 40 thread is really good for everyday garments, medium to heavyweight fabrics. And then it goes up. We have a Tech 60, and I'll show you guys, I have examples of what they look like here, and I will put a photo and what their names on them and what they are. It is kind of hard to tell the difference. I tried to get similar colors, but I just don't have them all in the same color. You can really tell the difference though between the 50 weight all the way up to the Tech 90, which we have. So the next one I have is the Tech 60. I would use this for also everyday medium to heavyweight garments, as well as this is suitable for top stitching. But what you really want for top stitching is going to be a Tech 70. This is a nylon bonded Tech 70 thread. So this, I'm not even going to try to do the rip test. Do not try to rip this with your bare hands. It will not go. This will cut into your skin. So please be very careful. This stuff is heavy duty. This is great for upholstery or denim top stitching or anything with a heavyweight fabric. I will use this on my thick canvas chore coats. Because it's just going to make the garment super high quality and the thread is not going to break, which is awesome. This you cannot put into your home sewing machine. This is exclusively for industrial machines. You could try this in your home sewing machine, but it will probably be a pain in the ass, especially for the bobbin. One, this takes up a lot of real estate on your bobbin, so you're going to be having to change it out a lot. And two, it's probably going to get knotted up and just, it's a mess. I wouldn't recommend trying this on home machines. I have used the Tech 60 in home machines and it has worked fine. I would say Tech 40 or Tech 60 for home machines. Another example is Serger thread. Now Serger thread is a Tech, this one specifically, not all of them, this is a Tech 27 Serger thread. So this is going to be super thin, super easy to break, but I do not recommend using serger thread for anything other than serging. It's just going to be really weak and you're going to have a lot of thread breaking and it's not going to be fun. So what's the main difference between a 50 weight and a Tech 40? The Tech 40 is going to be stronger. It's going to be harder to break and tear, and it is going to make whatever you're making, whatever garment you're putting together, a higher quality piece. The 50 weight, while is similar to a Tech 40, I would put this in the Tech 30 range, maybe Tech 35. So which thread should you get for your project? If you're using something like a lightweight fabric, like silk or something with delicate seams, you're gonna wanna do a Tech 25 to 30, or a 50 weight and below. If you're doing medium weight fabric, honestly, like most things fall into this category, you're going to want a Tech 40. That is going to be your overall best thread, the one that I pick up and use the most. It's going to be kind of your like daily driver. Tech 60 and Tech 70, that's going to be for denim, canvas, maybe a little bit of upholstery. Those are going to be for top stitching. In general, Tech 60 to 70 is for heavyweight fabrics and upholstery. And there's something called bonded nylon thread, which you can get in those weights. And that is going to be even stronger and even more heavy duty. Tech 90, that is going to be one of the highest ones you can buy, or that I can buy where I live at my specialty sewing store. And that's exclusively for upholstery projects or leather, anything with a very, very thick canvas or denim or leather, something like that. And that is specifically for an industrial machine. If you're looking for an all-around thread that is going to be high quality, it's going to break less on you, go for a Tech 40. You can get this at waywack.com, or honestly, if you just type in Tech 40 thread into Google, you're going to find lots of options. My favorite is Waywack. This is not sponsored by them in any way. It's just my go-to place to buy sewing supplies. You can, of course, find these on Amazon as well. You're looking for serger thread, that's going to be Tech 27. Typically, Tech 20 to 30 is going to be serger thread. And all you have to do is Google serger thread, and that's what's going to come up. I also buy my serger thread from Waywack. Thanks for watching. The main takeaway of all this is the higher the Tech number, the thicker the thread. The lower the Tech number, the lower the thread. And opposite for weights. The higher the weight, the thinner the thread. The lower the weight, the thicker the thread. So I hope that helps. If I can just have you take away one thing, it's Tech 40 thread is the best, gonna be your all-around best friend, and it's pretty inexpensive and you get a lot of bang for your buck. So I hope this video helped demystify tech versus weight and a little bit more, gave you a little bit more insight on thread weight in general. If you like content like this, please follow me at LaRae Handmade, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.